Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie. Yeah, don't look at my hair. It's Easter weekend, and here is your chick and egg update. So this is my newest incubator, and I'm still calibrating the temperature. I have three thermometers in there, and this one's not even close. But I'm calibrating them to find out where they all kind of meet. So far, this one reads high. It reads the proper temperature should be about 104 by this one. So I'm going to go put this in my other incubator and see if that matches up with the one that I know is working. Now I just had it out, so it's down a bit low, but I'm going to leave this in here for about 20 minutes just to see if it equalizes. Now, strange story here, folks. When I took the egg turner out the other day, I guess it was Wednesday, I have my egg turner and my heat source plugged into the same extension cord. Be really careful, folks. Watch what you're doing, because when I went to check the temperature about 4 hours later, I realized that I had accidentally loosened the extension or the plug for my heat source, and all my eggs were cold. Now I thought they were dead, but Papa said nope, leave them in there, let them come back up to temperature naturally, see what happens. And sure enough, I don't know about the chicken eggs, but my turkey eggs still have movement in them. So here's hoping. You know, don't get arrogant. Don't get arrogant. It's when you start to make mistakes like I did. Like the egg turner and, you know, not checking all my connections. That can happen. So I've had 3 thermometers in here, and well, they're just not doing what they're told. So here's hoping. But I've got my 7 turkey eggs in here now, and I'm going to say I had to take the egg turner out. This egg turner was too high for this particular model to do turkey eggs in, so I'm going to have to hand turn them. And all I did was put a tiny dot, I don't know how well you can see it there, a tiny blue dot on one side, just so I know which side it's on when I turn it. Some people turn 3 times a day, some people turkey eggs only 2. We'll see. I'm going to try 2. Hey you guys! Oh, good job, Daddy! Good job! I'll put my camera down here a little bit, and let's see if I can get a better view of the babies. I just do this. The jar, they just, they don't know how to... See, now this gives them here. Water in the corner, maybe? Yeah, no. I put it here. I put their food and water in the middle of the bin, because if they want to get closer to the light, or if they want air, this is open. And if they want a little more reflective warmth, Daddy's got a little dome here for them. Good job, Daddy. Yay! This set of chicks is now out of my living room. Anyway, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, as of today, I'm going to have 3 incubators on the go. Oi! But, you know, hatching time's my favorite time, and it is Easter. Happy Easter. Take care. God bless.